Automotive engineering technology is a hands-on approach to automotive engineering where the students get an opportunity to learn how to repair the automobile and understand the systems that operate the automobile, and then go on for their education in the engineering aspects of it. So this opens them up or makes them qualified for many more job positions than if they were strictly in a mechanical engineering curriculum.
Automotive engineering technology is a applied hands-on engineering degree where we use our past and background as mechanics, technicians in dealerships, private shops, and we take that to the next level of both knowledge and understanding so we can further evaluate and understand and modify systems accordingly for modern vehicles.
This is the only ABET accredited automotive engineering technology program which requires students to become a technician before they can go on and learn about engineering and become an engineering technologist. So it's the only program of its kind, and it's the only ABET accredited program of its kind in the world.
I would say the strengths of it are definitely, we're learning a lot of things here that you can't learn anywhere else in the country. The program that they have here is so focused on the automotive engineering that a lot of other colleges, they don't even have that major. So that's why a lot of people here come from all over the country. Like I've come from Philadelphia, people in my class from California, New York, Virginia, Maryland. It's definitely putting us in a position to where we're different from other colleges, and we have a select set of skills that are needed in the automotive industry.
My favorite part of my major, I guess, is being able to work with a bunch of guys that are very brilliant and around here. I enjoy the teachers, I guess, that seem to be very knowledgeable, and I'm very happy I came to this school.
My favorite class so far has definitely been alternative fuels, because basically, like with the way the industry's going, they're trying to get away from gasoline-powered cars. So we're trying to develop the technology for ethanol, methanol, fuel cells. We even got to make a fuel cell in one of our labs. So also focusing on electric vehicles. So there's a lot of new technology that's just coming out, and we're definitely trying to get ahead of it and to learn about it.
Well, what I like about this program is that you also do product designing, which I'm interested in. You do have 3 classes of product designing, and they will teach you how to, modeling stuff on using CAD.
My favorite class is dynamometer analysis with Professor Wagner, and we use equipment such as this, the chassis dyno, the engine dyno, and we get to evaluate and fully understand how engines make power, produce power, torque, and what that really means, because they're terms that are thrown around in industry so much but not fully understood. And with this class we can see with different setups, different systems, you can modify where power is made, how it's made, and through using chassis and engine dynos we can actually visually see what's going on through graphical analysis.
In our labs we have a hands-on approach to all aspects of learning with the automobile. We start with the basics so that if you don't have a lot of automotive experience, you can walk in the door and learn what you need to from day one. If you want to work on the design of vehicles, if you want to work as a technician on vehicles, if you want to work for aftermarkets or manufacturers, all those career paths are available through the education here at Ferris.
You take this degree, and where you go in industry, they kind of funnel you in the direction that they want you to go, and that's where you master that, or you get an expertise in that certain area. So even when I talk to industry reps, that's what they like about that, because they can just take us and put us in any direction that the company needs.
Toyota, Honda, Ford, GM, Chrysler, those are just a few of the major names that come to our building to recruit our students. When Toyota needed 600 people in engineering positions in the Ann Arbor area, they came to Ferris.
And there's many possibilities with this program. You can go into different systems of the car. For example, some people only do dyno testing, some people get to test the cars themselves.
You could work in an automotive factory. You could work at a technical service line. So it's a lot of different things you could do with this degree.
I'd actually like to work for domestic manufacturing companies, one of the big three, GM, Chrysler, Ford.
My total outcome, I guess, would be to go and work with Toyota. I think that they're going to be a great fit for me, and I'm glad that I get the opportunity to go work for them this summer to find out if they will work for me or not.
I have an internship at Ford that I started in May, and after the internship I have 1 more year, and then hopefully I will be able to get a job at maybe at Ford, Chrysler, GM, or Honda, someplace like that.
Ferris is located in Michigan, which is the automotive capital of the world, but we're not limited to Michigan. We have graduates that go all over the world and work for companies. So although this is a good place to be situated for our proximity to the automotive industry, our graduates can and do go everywhere that automobiles are.